At least that didn't happen last night. Hello, I'm Ron Jones, and this weekend has been a great music. This weekend has been a great weekend for racing. Let's break down all 5 races this weekend. No Truck Series. I didn't watch that, but well, who was somebody else? I forgot who that was. That was also. I think it was her. It might have not been. But let's go. But the Nick Sanchez won the race, and then Corey Haim got a DQ. Let's go over to the Xfinity Series. Mm. Indy race. Well, first time that NASCAR has raced on my birthday in like 4 years, and then well, Austin who intentionally wrecks Cole Custer, and what is wrong with him? Hopefully he gets suspended. In the end, they usually announce the penalties tomorrow, so I hope he does get suspended. But make things worse, Chase Elliott won, but Brandon Jones is still the true winner. Now let's go to F1 for the first time ever. I do an F1 review. So after the Toronto player was able to get yeah, Red Bull did what I can do. We also saw a near flip in the race. But good job for Leclerc. Now let's go over to the IndyCar race. So I got stuck here because of the rain delay. So Kyle Larson was allowed to stay in Indy if it rained, and which he did. Because it rained. 100 had an early lap crash. Honda kept blowing up their engines. Heard a wreck. Her race spun, power, and then Larson got a pit road penalty, and then what happened? Upar hit the wall, then you guarded one of my picks. Won the race. For a second year in a row. But now, I should say but now let's go over to the Cup Series. The Coke 600. I missed it literally half the race because I was stuck in Indy. It was a great I've ever seen. Got him. My profile you get turn 3. That's of that song. And then they wrecked. It's a hard crash. The former president attended the Daytona 500. He tried to kill 600. Right. Right. The race got rain shortened. And I really thought we were gonna go back green for sure the next morning. Then the race got called and Christopher Bell won. So that was, and that's all for this video.